welcome back Wax Friends and welcome to the Wax Lair. My name's April. So today I have my L3 Waxy Wonders haul for you guys. Now you guys, I haven't ordered from L3 Waxy Wonders in gosh, I want to say at least a couple of years back when there was a different owner. Janelle is the new current owner. So yeah, it's been a really long time. But I did see that she was having a big, I think it was Labor Day sale, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go in and grab a few things. So my particularly favorite thing from L3 Waxy Wonders is her Scoopables. So I went ahead and I picked up quite a few Scoopables. So just go ahead and dive on in, and I will start off with the samples first. Came in a really cute little bag right here. And I just love samples because this is where you might, try a scent that you never thought you'd like, and it can become your new favorite. So the first one is I Love It When You Call Me Big Poppa. Oh yeah, I remember that song. So there it is. And this is a very sizable sample, you guys. Like, that's a great size. Okay, so I don't know what the scent notes are because they're not written on here. But I do feel like I am getting a bakery vibe from this. Yeah. I do feel like I'm getting a bakery vibe. It's not an overly strong scent. So we'll see how it does on warm. Again, that's why I love the Scoopables, because the Scoopables are hella strong when I put them in my warmers, and they just seem to last like forever on longevity. These guys right here. So I Love It When You Call Me Big Poppa. Thank you so much. I'm excited to warm that one and see how it transforms on warm. Okay, next up is Dark Kiss. And what I'll do is I'll just put one of these in, one of my warmers, and I'll definitely be able to see what I think of it. This is a really good size sample. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. Yeah, I don't know what's in this one, but it's kind of like a pretty body care type of a scent. Yeah, so I'm excited to warm that. And the third sample is called Vanilla Sugar, Warm Vanilla Sugar, Sweet Cinnamon, Pumpkin Cranberry Marmalade. Ooh, that sounds really good. I've really been wanting to try a lot of cranberry scents lately. I think it's, becoming that time of year. Oh, this one is strong. This one's really nice. So I'm definitely getting a lot of that cranberry marmalade, and I would say sweet cinnamon. Yeah, this is nice. This would be really perfect for like early November. Oh, I think it would be so fantastic. So I might save that sample until then. And then she also sent me this beautiful soap. It's a silk soap, and it looks like it's made out of coconut oil and olive oil. And this scent is in Rose and Charcoal. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at, there's actual beautiful rosebuds on top. Oh, I'm so excited to warm that one and to use this. And look at how pretty that is. It's gorgeous. And I mean, that was so generous. So thank you so much, Janelle. I appreciate the samples and the hand soap. I'm so excited. I honestly didn't know she had hand soap, so I'm gonna have to definitely check that out on her website. Okay, now for my favorite part, the wax. Now, she did send me this cute little spoon for my Scoopables. Look at how cute that is. A beautiful little silver flower. Love that, and that will definitely come in handy because I don't know where my other Scoopable spoons are. Okay, so the first scent, let's go ahead and start off with the small one that I picked up. So this is, I think, 4 ounces. Yes, this one is 4 ounces of her Scoopable wax. And this is Marshmallow, Fireside, Beach Nights, Palo, Santo, and Wild Berry Mousse. Now, Ashley Overly, who is my go-to for all things L3 Waxy Wonders and Lavender wax in general, speaks so highly of Wild Berry Mousse, especially from L3, so I wanted to try this one. This one does have like a little safety thing on top. This is beautiful. This is everything I wanted it to be. I definitely get the beach nights and the Wild Berry Mousse and the Marshmallow Fireside. Oh, it's stunning. And look at how pretty that color is. So if you are new to scoops, what you do is, here's the wax and here's the spoon. I'll go ahead and I'll just do a little tiny bit. You would just kind of take your spoon and scoop it out, and then it looks like that, and then just put it in your warmer. Oh, that's fantastic. That smells so good. So yeah, and the way I clean out my warmers after I use Scoopables is I just, while the wax is still melted, I will just put in a cotton ball and blot it up that way, and then change out my wax. But yeah, Scoopables give me the most bang for my buck. Like, they are strong. As soon as you like let it hit the warmer, boom, you get like instant scent. So I love it for that. Okay, next one is Kolaches Strawberry Pretzel. I do love L3's pretzel. Wanted to try this one. I know Steph loves the Strawberry Pretzel. So stay tuned to see if that one's in here. This is so good. Ah, look at how pretty that is. So this is just the perfect combination of like a sweet salty pretzel and then her strawberry. And I think it's strawberry kolaches. I do believe that's like a strawberry, not a donut, but like a strawberry bakery. Oh, and I just noticed it's actually starting to rain outside here. So yeah, I love this one. A great combination of both those scents. Like, I don't feel like the strawberry is too, you know, strong in the scent, nor is the pretzel. It's just a really good combination of both of those scents. So beautiful. Cannot wait to warm that one. It smells yummy. Okay, next, this is one I picked up. I actually went in a second time, and because I was watching one of Ashley Overley's older videos, and she mentioned this blend, and I was like, oh shoot, I need to go in and try to see if it's available. So this is Night at the Carnival Coconut Cream Pie and Zucchini Bread. And it's so good. I definitely get that zucchini bread in here. And I'm not sure what Night at the Carnival is, but this is a very sweet, creamy, and dreamy scent. Definitely get a lot of bakery vibes. The coconut cream pie is for sure in here. Very sweet, creamy, yummy bakery blend. So excited that I was able to snag that. Okay, next up is just a good old favorite, and that's vanilla butter fudge pretzel. I love vanilla butter fudge, and I love pretzel. And yeah, I definitely get the pretzel note in this one. I would say this is probably about 75% pretzel and maybe 25% vanilla butter fudge. And I think the vanilla butter fudge is just adding a bit of creaminess to the pretzel. But really nice. This is going to be a great blender scent, I think. So very excited for that. I do love to mix like pretzel with a lot of fruity scents. It's like a really good, yummy bakery vibe that you can get when you do that. Okay, next up. I think this is another one that Ashley was talking about that I picked up because of her. Wild Berry Mousse, Cotton Candy Craze, Fresh Picked Strawberries, and Zucchini Bread. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. And look at how pretty that is. It's like a peachy colored wax. This is so good. I definitely get the fresh picked strawberries and the zucchini bread, and then a bit of creaminess, I think, from that Wild Berry Mousse. And the Cotton Candy Craze, I think it's just adding some extra sweetness to the scent. It's so yummy. Oh, it's so good. I do love her fresh picked strawberries. I think it just makes everything so much better. So love that one. Excited to warm it. Okay, next up is Raspberry Fresh Picked Strawberry Pretzel. There's kind of a theme here going on, you guys. Oh yeah. I definitely get the raspberry, and this is a really, really good raspberry. It's like a raspberry jam. And then that fresh picked strawberry is definitely in there. And then the pretzel. Oh, so good. I love it. Love, love, love that raspberry in this blend. Fantastic. Really good bakery. Okay, next I was super interested in this one. It's Dreamweaver Fresh Picked Strawberry. Now I want to say Dreamweaver is a lavender blend of L3. It's a really pretty light purple colored wax. Oh yeah. I definitely get the lavender and then also the fresh picked strawberry. I would say almost equal amounts that I'm getting, especially when I rev the top. Getting more of that fresh picked strawberry coming through. It's beautiful. Truly, like, fresh picked strawberries and lavender, they just go together so well. You might not think that they do, but they actually really do. So this is beautiful. This is going to be a bedroom melt for me. I cannot wait to warm that one. It's just going to be so calm and relaxing. Okay, this one, I know it's Steph's favorite. That's Strawberry Bread Pretzel. It's so good. Yeah. Very yummy, fruity bakery blend. Definitely get that pretzel and the strawberry bread. It's lovely. It's just delightful. I love these types of bakery scents. These are great during the summertime when, you know, you want a bakery, but you don't want a heavy bakery, just something kind of light and airy and a little refreshing, and that is so going to hit the spot. Okay, next up is pink sugar vanilla butter fudge pretzel. You know, I love me a good pink sugar blend. Oh, this is no exception. I definitely get that pink sugar, and I'm so happy about that because I love pink sugar. And it's blended together in here with that vanilla butter fudge and the pretzel just so well. The vanilla butter fudge is just adding a creaminess to the scent. And then that pink sugar and pretzel, it's just delightful. Love, love, love that one. And then rounding everything out is Lavender Wild Berry Mousse, Buttercream Frosting, Zucchini Bread, and Sugar Cookie Royale. Yes. Again, just a really beautiful scent. I definitely get the zucchini bread, the buttercream frosting, and the sugar cookie royale. I would say the lavender and wild berry mousse are kind of taking a back seat, but they're still present. This is gorgeous. This is stunning. Oh, I love this one. I'm so excited. So that is it. That is what I picked up from L3 Waxy Wonders. I am so curious, you guys. Do you guys buy scoops? And if you do y'all love them? I'm going to assume you probably do. What is your favorite type of wax form from L3 Waxy Wonders? Again, for me, it's the scoops, and it's just because I get such great performance out of her scoops. I think they're pretty convenient. I don't mind scooping them. I don't have to chop. I can just scoop, pop it in my warmer, and I get instant fragrance like that. And it's really not that bad to clean up because, you know, just throw in some cotton balls while it's warm, and it just, you know, scoops out really nicely that way. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.